iOS 20,000 PC build components. Build a powerful PC on 24 budget, your ultimate guide. You can follow this to build a perfect PC in the 20,000. All the components are new and no second hand is used to build this PC, which we can do casual gaming, enjoy light games at moderate settings, mostly low to medium settings, and office work. We can do easily office work, web browsing, and stream videos. Basic content editing also we can do with minimum lag, not so much, but a few much lag based on the applications. AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. This is a very good processor at this range we are using. If you uh, prefer Ryzen 5, it can be also possible during this sale. Let me share it. Yeah, this one. Ryzen around 3000 extra, but this if you able to put around more than budget for 3000, this would be great. It also have the integrated GPU also graphic, so you don't need to worry to graphics also. But for as per our budget, we will go with this, which is almost 6000. And you see PC case we are using and companies. It is around 1900, which is a pretty much basic PC, which comes with four ventilation fans, three in front and one in back, which is good. At the next for RAM, we are going with 8 GB. If you have another 1500 or 2000, you can simply go for 16 GB. Also remember it should be DDR4. You can get this with the additional 1000 rupees comparing to this 1500. But as we mentioned, the budget only cut off to 20,000. So you can proceed with this, or if you get any additional amount, you can go with this. Next, for storage, we are using the SATA, which is a consistent company, and it comes with 256 GB SSD, which is very fast. And why I recommend this is because it comes with a very low cost at this price. And for power supply, we are using the Esports VS 400L. For the Ryzen 3, we are using lower processor, so this power supply would be more than enough. If in case we are going for i5 or Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, we will require much more power supply. For now, this one will be enough, and all this comes around 19,000 if you use the same components. If you want to get Ryzen 5, then you will get around 3000 additional here, and also for 16 GB another 1000 here, overall 4000. So if you have around 4000 more, it would be good. You can go for AMD Ryzen 5 and 16 GB RAM. Here I have mentioned some more details of the components as you can go through this and go through the website. I have mentioned and there are other PC builds for 40,000 and 30,000 and many more. You can go to our website, which is TechGeek and you can refer the blog where you will find able to multiple blogs on various topics of PC builds. If you have any suggestions or comments, please comment on me. Thank you.